Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to Google reviews to GoDaddy website in 2024. So we're going to learn how to add GoDaddy reviews to your GoDaddy website, showcasing of course the customer feedback can increase the trust and credibility, helping you attract more customers. So make sure to follow this step-by-step guide to seamlessly integrate Google reviews into your GoDaddy websites. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Then go to this URL section. Basically, you'll need to go to GoDaddy, of course, .com, hit the enter button. You'll be taken to the home screen, main screen. If it's your first time, you'll find sign in here instead of your name or your username. Click on it and sign in into your account if you have one. If you don't, just scroll down or go to the bottom and you'll find the sign up to create an account. You can use Google, Microsoft, and Facebook if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself here in the homepage and you'll find yourself logged in. So first, if you want to add your Google review to GoDaddy websites, we'll need first of all to go to the website. So I'll just go here to my product and go to the website that I want to add, like example, the reviews into. So I'll just go to our random websites here and access the website editor right away. So I'll just go here and access the website editor. And of course, as I said, let's say example, I want to add like reviews to this website. So what should I do? Of course, I'll just go and add the section so I can add like the reviews on it, or I'll do this later. But first, you'll need first of all to connect or to collect the link to your Google reviews. You'll have to go to your Google My Business account and navigate into reviews. As an example, of course, you'll need to go like to google.com/business, hit the enter button. Make sure to sign in into your account if you have one. If you don't, you'll need to go, of course, and create a new account for your own. And yeah, of course, for me, I don't have an account, so I'll not be able to show you exactly how, but of course, you'll need just to sign in into your account. And once you sign in into your account, you'll need to go and collect the reviews that you have there. Of course, if you don't like have a Google Business account, you can set up now one right now and create a new one. And of course, there are several like third-party services that offer like Google review widgets for websites. Some popular options like there's the Elf Sites, Embed Social, and Tagbox. You can visit the website of your chosen service from these three, or even you can check other one from your choice. And you can create an account and configure the Google reviews widgets according to your preferences. And these like services typically provides a code snippets for like embedding the widgets into your sites or on your website. So as an example, let's say here, as I said, I'll just go and add a section. So let's say I'll just go here and want to add reviews. Sorry. So reviews like that. And as you can see, I can add some reviews from here. I'll just click on add. As you can see, display reviews that's automatically from another website example. So you can add them or you can connect first of all to an external source like Google My Business, as you can see. Just click on connect Google My Business in here. And once you click on it, as you can see, lists your business on Google, of course, and etc. So I'll just go here and click on connect and listen. Just click on that. And as you can see, you'll be taken here. Before we connect, let's confirm some info like business name and settings, etc. So I'll just here type like some random informations, of course. So then click on sign into Google. Choose the account that you have a business on, that you have your business on. Of course, I'll just enter my random account. I don't know if it will even work, but let's just see. So we're looking for your listing. Normally, they will not find it here. As you can see, oh, never mind. I don't know what is that and why did they find that? But I'll just type that. Why not? And then click on submit. Request access to connect this lesson. In order to connect this lesson, you'll need to request access to it in Google. So, for example, if you click on request access, you'll be taken here. And you will need, of course, what level of access do you have? So management, ownership. For me, I don't have any, so I'm not going to do that. And then what's the relationship on your business owner, employee, or agency, your account, your of course contact name, and then your phone number. Then check this option, which is let the owner of this business see my profile information and email address if you want to, and then click on submit. Once you click on submit, you will have to wait a bit until you get like, as you can see, no, you have requested access. It can take up to a week for Google to close the loop and check your email for updates. Then click on got it. And basically, once you connect everything, you basically can go to this website here as an example and go back to the section that you created. Where did I put this section? Yeah, here. So I'll just go and click on that section, go back, click on Google My Business, click on connect, and the reviews should appear here automatically. Of course, this is if you want to connect it to an external source, and it should be automatically. Of course, if you don't want to add them manually, click on add reviews manually. Like as example, you don't want to do all of that. Maybe it's too much for you. You don't even have, maybe as example, a business account and you don't want to get into that. So you can add them manually. Here, you can simply just click on the first review, change the title, change the review, the rating, give it a rating, reviewer name, and reviewer date, then the reviewer link. Of course, you can even delete the review if you don't want like 3 reviews. You can simply add 2. You can add even almost to 9. So, as an example, if you have more than 3, people will be able to navigate through those reviews. As an example, just go and add another one. So, click on add and done. So, example, people will be able to click here or here through like preview or just see the other reviews. Example on the other thing, you can change like the background image. If you didn't like this one, you can even zoom it in, zoom it out, overlay, example, depending on whatever you want. So I don't know what you want to do with this. Let's say, example, I want to change image. I'll just put this one, click on search, and I'll just make more overlay or something like that. Why not? Of course, you can like change the focus where exactly you want to focus or zoom on into the image. So, example, maybe I want to zoom here, as example, or do something like that. I don't know, depending on whatever you want. Then click on done if you agree to it. And yeah, so that's if you want to add, of course, reviews manually here. If you want to connect this, just click on connect to your account, and you'll be good to go. So this is going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.